When you're designing a roof system, the trend is to think of the shingles and the labor. But it's so much more than that, because if you're looking at what separates a quality system from what would otherwise be problematic, is it's always going to come down to the details. It's going to come down to the quality of the materials, it's going to come down to the quality of the installation, but it's also going to come down to those accessory items. So we're not going to cut asphalt 3-tab and turn that into a starter. We're going to use the actual manufactured starter strip. We're not going to cut 3-tab and use that as your hip and ridge. We're going to order actually manufactured hip and ridge. These are materials that are designed specifically for these areas on the roof. We make sure the ice and water shield is going into sensitive areas of the roof that could otherwise be problematic. The flashings, the underlayment, finding those details that are going to translate into designing systems that are going to offer long-term performance, focusing on those accessories that are going to make this system last.